Okay, so again, hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining. And okay, so again, all knows that today is the last sessions of this free SQL. So I think we have spent a lot of time and we tried to understand about how the things works and all, right? So it was a nice time, right? So okay, again, so whatever we have left, we will try to finish that. Okay. I know that in these 5 days of session, completing the SQL is not possible. Okay. But whatever things which I have explained you, that should be enough to make you understand about this. Okay, so what to discuss today? What you want to discuss today, guys? Oh man, thank you. Next time, what I will do, I'll try to arrange this session in the evening time. Actually, what happened? My morning time, my evening time is always busy because I need to take some of the paid batches. Um, but that is the reason, like only morning time was available, and I'm a very night person means, like I can I can awake till night, but if you're asking me to wake up in the morning, it's very difficult. So next time, what I will do, I will arrange this session in the night time, maybe by um, 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, something like that, so that you will not see my face like this. Would you like to have a tea? I think you guys are taking that. Anyway, let me share my screen and we'll discuss about the things. Oh, okay, nice. Let me open the command prompt. Okay. And I am going to connect to the Oracle database. How to connect? Fire the command like SQL plus /SDB, and I got connected to the Oracle database. So in the last lecture, we discussed about how to create a table, how to insert a data into that table, how to update a tables, right? All these things we have discussed in the last lecture. Correct? Now insert is done, update is done, delete is done, where condition is done. Okay, we will try to understand about we will try to understand about the there is a question like, what is the difference between alter and update? See, update, there is one more thing is there, we call it as alter. So alter means, let's say I have a table is there with the column like ID, name and salary is there. Okay, these are my columns are there, and this ID is having a data type called, let's say, number. Okay, This ID is having a data type called number, name is having a data type called character. Let's assume a situation that I want to change the data type of this name column from character to varchar2. There is one more data type is there, varchar2. Varchar means it's a combination of variable plus character. Like let's say there is a record is available like ABC123. So this ABC you can say here that these are the characters and 123 is like a number. So whenever you have a combination of character plus number, you can use varchar. Now what happened, I have created a table, but this name data type was character. We have created a table with the column name and the data type was character. Later on I got in situations where I am thinking that I want to change this character from varchar. I want to change the data type of this name column to varchar. I want to change the data type. So whenever you want to change the data type, whenever you want to change the data type of the column, that time you are going to use command alter. There is alter command is there. Alter table name. Table name is whatever it is. Alter table name, modify, and you need to mention the column name. Column name is name and new data type. New data type is varchar2. So whenever you want to change the table structure, means on table level you want to make some changes. Table structure. Let's say in future you want to add one more column here. Let's say you want to add one more column like address. This is a table structure changes. So whenever you want to do table structure changes, that time we will use alter command. Okay. And when to use update? Update is mainly useful when you want to change the data. Change the data. Data means let's say the name is Akshay and I want to change his name from Akshay to Akshu. So this is like changing a data. So alter is mainly useful when you want to change on structure level, the complete table structure you want to change. That time we use alter and all. But when you want to deal with the data, that time we use update. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? I'll show you one example also practically. Let's take an example. What is the table we have created? EMP. So yesterday we have created this EMP table. Select star from EMP. So how many columns are there as of now? There are 3 columns are there. You can see here ID, name and salary. Now let's assume that I want to add one more column here. So I'll use the command like alter table name. Table name is EMP. Add column. What is the column name I want to add? Let's say I want to add a column like address. And address will be of data type varchar2 10. Varchar2 is also one data type, variable plus character. What is the problem? Alter table name. Alter table name. Add column name, data type. Add column name. Alter table name. Add column name. Alter table name. Add column. What is the problem? Okay, so I have given extra, sorry, my bad. When I use this command, now if I try to see select star from EMP, see here one more column got added over here, address. But currently there is no data available in this column. Why there is no data available? Because three records were already available there, and then we added this new column. So whenever you want to add new column, whenever you want to change the data type of the column, for all such cases we are going to use alter command. Okay, so likewise multiple alter commands are available. Okay, I will talk about one more data type is there, we called it as a, so you must be understood about the difference between character and char data type and varchar data type, right? See, char data type means where it will support only characters like A, B, C, D till Z. That is a character. Varchar means variable plus character. So character means like A to Z plus 1 to multiples. Okay. So there is a varchar is there, and one more data type is there, we call it as a varchar 2 is also there, varchar 2. You can use varchar also, varchar 2 also. So what is the difference between varchar and varchar 2? What is the difference between varchar and varchar 2? Anyone know? When you create a table, you can create you can create a column with varchar 2 also. What is the difference? Anyone know? The most important difference between varchar 2 and varchar is varchar 2 is very good for size purpose. Like let's say, I'll give you an example. Let's say I have mentioned varchar and the size is 100. Even though I have allocated 100 size, but if I am using 10 size only for inserting data, I am using only 10, means out of 100 if I am using 10, the next record this 100 will be utilized. This 100 will be utilized. Okay, the size will be wasted over here in the varchar. What I mean to say, let's say I have a size of 100, but you have inserted a name like Sagar only. Now it is just a 5-digit record, right? But still it will consume your 100 size, 100 byte size it will consume. Next record will start from again the next 101 only, 101. So varchar 2, what varchar 2 will do? Let's say you have allocated 100 size, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. You have 100 size are available, and let's say you have added a name like Ram, RAM. Now Ram has taken only 3 spaces over here, right? Ram has taken only 3 spaces. So what will happen here? As soon as you want to insert one more name here, the Sagar will be added here only, next to Ram only. Sagar will not be added to the next block. So this space will be utilized. This space will be utilized in varchar 2. Did you get my point, guys? Varchar 2 is having very good, like it will not waste your storage. Let's say I am using a varchar. Here you allocate the size is 10. So 10 block will be allocated here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's say you have inserted a name like, Rita, something like that. So when you have inserted Rita, which is a 4-character name, rest of the space is wastage if you are using varchar 10. Let's say after the Rita I want to add one more name, Mayuri. Mayuri. So Mayuri will not come here in varchar. Mayuri will come into the next block of this 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again new block will be created. But if you are using varchar 2, 10, Mayuri will come here only. So there will not be any wastage of space. Okay. So it is very good to use varchar 2. Okay. Whenever you want to use a variable plus character kind of things, try to use varchar 2 only. Try to use varchar 2 only. Okay. So that's one important thing many people are asking. Now I'll show you one more example. So this is my table, right? If I want to, I'll discuss about one more important concept today. How to drop a database, how to delete, and what is the truncate. And many people are asking the difference between this drop, delete and truncate. That is what we are going to discuss today. So delete, everyone know that we have discussed yesterday. Delete means, what is delete? Whenever you want to delete some specific record, whenever you want to delete some specific record, that time we will use delete. Now let's say I want to delete this Sandeep. So I'll use the command like delete from table name where id equals to 3. When I'm running this command, the record will be deleted. Once you delete the record, you have a provision to roll back it also. So if you run rollback command, ROLLBACK, the record which you have deleted will be rolled back. The record which you have deleted will be rolled back also. 1 minute, guys. The record which you have deleted will be rolled back also, correct? Now I can see that the record is back. No, I have not done rollback. Okay. So the record which you have deleted, you can roll back it also after the delete statement, correct? That is what we have discussed. There is one more way is there to delete all the records. Whenever you want to delete complete record, means everything you want to delete, but the table structure should be there, means empty table will be there. You want to delete all the records. But the table structure should be there, like the column should be available. That time we will use truncate table name. What is the table name? EMP. As soon as you use this command, truncate command, truncate spelling is wrong. As soon as you use this command, the table will be truncated. Truncated means all the records will be deleted. And if I try to do select star from EMP, I can see here that no rows selected because all the records has been deleted. All the record has been deleted. But the thing is, what is the problem with the truncate? If you try to do rollback, and if you try to select the data, you will not be able to select that data. So what is the difference between truncate and delete? The main difference between truncate and delete is, after the delete you can roll back it, and whenever you want to delete some specific record, specific means, let's say by using where condition you want to delete, you can delete. Let's say I have a data related to the India, China, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and I want to delete the data related to the Sri Lanka only. So I can delete the records based on condition, and we can roll back that changes also. But if you use truncate, what truncate will do? Complete table will be deleted, but structure will be there. This empty structure will be there. Structure will be deleted. All records will be deleted. What I mean to say, all records will be deleted, but the table structure will be there. And even though if you do rollback, the rollback is not possible. Even though if you do rollback is not possible. Once you truncate the table, it's gone. You cannot roll back the records. There is third thing is there. We called it as a drop. In drop, what will happen? Data also will be deleted, plus table structure will be also deleted. Everything will be deleted. Data also and table structure also. And you cannot do rollback also. Rollback is not possible. Rollback is also not possible. I'll show you one example. See here. Yesterday we have created one more table. Student table, right? This is my student table. If I drop this table, drop table student, this is the way the complete table will be deleted. Complete table means table structure plus data, everything will be gone. If I run this command and if I try to do select now, I will directly get an error message that table or view does not exist. What does it mean? It means the table also got deleted, table also got deleted, structure also got deleted. See, when I use the truncate, and after that when I run the command like select star from EMP, I got the message like no row selected. It means table is there, but data is not there. Table is there but data is not there, because truncate will do the deletion of all the records, everything, but the structure will be there. And what drop will do? Drop will drop the data also, structure also. And you cannot do rollback also. If I try to do rollback and try to do select star from student, still I am not able to see that. So many times people will ask in the interview that what is the difference between delete, drop and truncate. So is it clear everyone? The difference between drop, delete and truncate. Is it clear? Padma is saying yes, Mamta is saying yes, Shubham is saying yes, Habib is saying yes, Surabhi is saying yes, Kurni is saying yes, Sabha is saying yes, Sarai is saying yes, Pai is saying yes, Baj is saying the people joining from YouTube able to understand? Please like this video if you are understanding it. Please like this video if you are able to understand it. Anand is saying crystal clear. Yes. Nice. So just now we discuss about what is the difference between delete, drop and truncate. Okay. Now we will try to understand about one more important concept. We called it as a primary key. So what is primary key? Okay, let us try to understand about primary key. Let us try to understand about primary key. दिल पे जरा क्या यार, सुबह सुबह क्लास लेना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. Chalo, let's try to understand. Primary key. What is primary key? What do you think? Constraint. What else? Unique. Unique record. It is a constraint. Unique and not null. Correct. So now many times what happened? We have created a table. Just give me a minute, guys. Someone is knocking my door. I'll come back. Just give me a minute. Okay, so I'm back. So what I was saying? I was saying like primary key. So primary key means, let's say I have one table is there, okay, and under that table there is a ID, name, and salary column is there. Okay. So ID is like, let's say 100, name is X, salary is 1000, 200, name is Y, and this 2000. See what happened here? If I add a new entry with the 200, it will allow me to insert the record. So it will allow me to insert a duplicate record. But normally in real time, there are certain things which will be unique. Normally in real time, there are certain things which will be unique. Like let's say you are working with any company. Let's say you are going to join any company. Whenever you are going to join any company, what will happen? Whenever you are going to join any company, you will get the employee ID, correct? So that employee ID, you will get the employee ID, correct? That employee ID will be unique. When I'm going to join any company, I'll get the employee ID. My employee ID cannot be the employee ID of other person. There may be a lot of people with the name Ankush. But if you're asking me, there will be only one employee ID which is associated to me. So employee ID cannot be duplicate. Take an example of your PAN card, Aadhaar card. Your PAN card and Aadhaar card will be always unique. Unique means no duplicates. Unique means no duplicate, correct? So that is what we need to see. So whenever you think that you don't need a duplicate record, whenever you think that you don't need duplicate record, that time what you'll do? You'll use the primary key. Okay. So primary key is the combination of two things. One is unique plus not null. Unique plus not null. What is meant by unique? Unique means all the records which you are going to add, that will be unique, means there will not be any duplicate. And not null means every person will have that ID. So what I will do, in the table I am going to create ID as my primary key. Why? Because every ID which you are going to insert, let's say you are going to insert 100, 200, 300, that will be unique. You cannot insert 100 again, that is not possible, because 100 is already available. And not null means, what is mean by not null? Not null means it should not be empty, means every person there will be ID, nothing like that. So you will not find the record which is not having ID. ID will be there compulsory. So whenever you have a situation where you think that, okay, this should be unique, this column should be unique, this column should have data there, that column you can consider that as primary key. And when you need to do, at the time of table creation, you need to create a table along with primary key. So normally primary key will be to the ID, EMP ID. Do you think that primary key I can use to the name? Is it possible? It's possible, but normally in real time we don't do that, because name can be same for two people, correct? Name can be same for two people. So that's how it works. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll create a table like this. See, I'm going to create a new table. Let's say create table stud. Under this stud table, I'm going to have ID, number, 10. So I have created my first column with the name ID and having a data type number with the size 10. This column I'm going to consider as my primary key. So I have mentioned primary key here. Then what is the next thing? Name varchar2 10. I'm using the varchar2 this time. And because varchar2 is very good when you don't have fixed size, because some people name will be 2 character, 3 character, 5 character. So that time always try to use varchar2. Then, so we have name, that's it. I'll do like this. Save it. So we have created a table with the name stud. There are two columns are there, ID and name. ID is a primary key. You can see here, ID is a primary key. You can check the structure also, DSC stud. If you type this command, you can see the structure like not null. It means it's a primary key. Now let me try to insert my first record. Insert into stud values. First record is 100 is the ID and name is, let's say, Akshay. I inserted first record. Let me insert my second record. Name is Sagar. So I inserted both the record. Let me try to select the record. Select star from stud. When I selected, I can see here that the data looks like this. This is my data. The data looks like this. I'll do the commit also, because commit is very important. After the insert, I inserted a commit also. Let me try to insert some record again. So I'll insert the command like insert into stud values. This time I'll insert duplicate record. So I'll mention 200 and name will be, name I'll give different one. I'll give the name like Chetan. When I try to insert this record, the 200 is duplicate. I got an error message that unique constraint. I got the error message like unique constraint. What does it mean? I got the error message like unique constraint. Remember that. What is the problem? I got the error message like unique constraint. So whenever you are trying to insert duplicate record, remember that whenever you are trying to insert duplicate record, it is not possible. Just give me a minute guys, someone is again knocking. Sorry, actually I'm alone today, so whenever someone is coming, I need to open the door. I'm really sorry for that. So what we have understood over here, like there are two records are there, ID and name. Okay, and when I try to insert the 200 records again with the same ID but the name I have given different, I got error message a unique constraint. So table is not allowing you to insert duplicate record. That is what I mean to say. Table is not allowing you to insert a duplicate record. So whenever we as a DBA or we as a developer, database developer, you create a table, we always try to have one column which is having a primary key. And by looking to that column, you'll understand that this column may be a primary key. Normally it's a ID related columns will be always having a primary key. So it's compulsory that you need to insert. See, if I'm not inserting any record also now, I will get the error message that, say when I try to insert blank, I got the insert message like insert null. Null means kind of blank. If the person is the part of any company, he will definitely have a employee ID. So it cannot be null. So whenever I am trying to insert null value also, like I'll try to make it blank, it's not allowing me. See, if I try to insert 300 and name I'll keep it blank, it is able to insert now. See here, the 300 with no name, it is allowing me. The 300 with no name, I just keep it blank, it is allowing me, but 300 should be there, the ID should be there. ID cannot be duplicate, ID cannot be blank or not null. That is the reason I am saying that primary key is a combination of two things, unique plus not null. So whenever you are creating any table structure in your future, just keep it in your mind that whether it is a primary key or not, and primary key always should be there, remember that primary key should be always there. So in our Oracle, like there will be only one primary key, you cannot have two primary key. There will be only one primary key will be there. But if you want to add multiple columns together, you can create one more key is there, we call it as a candidate key, but today it will be difficult to explain that. We'll try to cover up in the next lecture. So that's the plan. Okay, understood guys, the primary key, everyone. Please like this video if you are able to understand from the YouTube channel, those people who are watching us. Understood? Mamta is saying yes. Habib is saying yes. Sarah is saying yes. Okay. Varun is saying yes. Akansha is saying yes. Padmati is saying yes. Surya is saying yes. Nakshar is saying yes. Jagdish is saying yes. Prasanthi is saying yes. Robert, Jagdish is thank you. Manish is saying yes. Okay, everyone is able to understand. Everyone is able to understand. So that's how the things works. Okay, that's how the things works. Uh, Now you know what I would suggest, like those people who are freshers. Okay, so those people who are freshers and they want to switch their career into the IT industry. See, if you want to go into the IT industry, it's not compulsory that you should have a degree like BTech and all. It's not compulsory. Okay. Many people have a confusion like, okay, sir, I'm not a BTech person, or I have BSc degree, or I have some other degrees are there. Can I switch my career to the IT industry? For all such people, I would say that irrespective of any degree you are having, okay, everyone can start his career into the IT industry. Everyone. Now, when we see the examples from our class, like in our offline classes, especially which is running in the Pune location, in my last batch, there were three candidates were there. They were coming from the BSc background, okay, and they were coming from the BSc background. So these people were also able to switch their career from the to the IT industry, and they are working with the one of the MNC company from your one of the MNC company from Mumbai locations, and some people are working in the Pune locations also. So if irrespective of any degree whatever you are having, because um, when you are going to the IT industry, it's not compulsory that you should have a BTech and all. Okay, if you have BCA, BCS, if you have MCA, if you are having BSc and all, biotechnologies, all everything, every person can go to your IT industry. Only the thing is, you should have a knowledge. That is very important. In IT industry, there are particularly two type of fields I see. One is like a development kind of fields. In development kind of fields means where you need to write down the programs like C, C++, Java, .NET, Angular, HTML, CSS. All this coding you need to do. Even the database level coding also. Like we need to write down the queries and all. So those people who are thinking that they are quite good with the coding, programming, they can start their career into the programming side of fields. That is possible. Those people who are thinking that programming is not my cup of tea. See, because now what happened, like some people are coming from non-technical background. Like if you are coming from computer background or IT background, like from the beginning you might have heard about the C, C++ and all. Okay, so you definitely can switch your career to the programming kind of skill set. And even though if you are coming from computer background, some people don't like the programming because it's not easy, it's quite tricky. Every day you will get a different kind of work, so it's tricky actually. Okay, so if you think that programming is something which is not my cup of tea, then you should think about the administration kind of activities. Like let's say you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA, SQL DBA, MySQL DBA, which is a database kind of strings. Then we have network is there, Citrix is there, Outlook is there, many things are there nowadays. Any technology which is sorry, nowadays any technology which is related to the data plays a very very important role. Like, let's say, uh, one important thing is like uh, one important thing is like uh, related to the uh, data analyst is there, data engineer, data science. Data science is good for the person who is data science is the good for the person who is mainly having a very good knowledge about the programming kind of skill set, because for data science you need to have a Python, which is very important. Python is important. Okay, if you want to, if you think that I need some little bit programming, like less than data science, so you can go for data engineer also. In data engineer also lot of vacancies are coming, so that is also one good stream. And if you think that I don't like programming itself, I am okay with the SQL and all, you can think about the data analyst also, where you need to understand about the Power BI and all. Okay, so where you need to create the dashboard, everything, all these things you need to create. And if you think that I don't want programming, zero coding, okay, then you can talk about the Oracle DBA. Like, Oracle is something which is very good in the market, and it's old technology, but continuously it has lot of updates are coming, and it's going good in the market. So Oracle is something which is coming, Oracle DBA. So if you want to know about the Oracle DBA, you can go to our YouTube channel, and you will find multiple videos are available related to the Oracle DBA. So if you go here, I'll show you some of the link. Go to this Learnomate, and many video I have created on Oracle DBA also, so that you can try. Okay. So by any chance, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you can go here and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. So this is our YouTube channel link, and you can go here and you will see that multiple things are there. If anyone want to join the trainings with Learnomate, this is our number, and we provide the trainings on multiple technologies like Oracle DBA, RAG DBA, many technologies trainings we have. Okay, data engineer, data analyst. If you want free suggestions, and if you are coming from Pune location, you can visit our office also, and we will provide you free suggestions also. Okay, there will not be any charges, so you can come to our office in between Monday to Saturday. Sunday office will be normally closed, so in between 11 to 5 you can come to office, and we can guide you also. So all these trainings are available. Okay, so apart from this, I think whatever sessions we have discussed till today, okay, I hope you people have enjoyed all these sessions. Okay, and so we are mainly trying to share the knowledge with each and every individuals, so that there are two reasons are there. One reason is that people are not getting a good institute. Okay, the students are roaming here and there, spending lot of monies, and at the end they are not getting good trainings, the practical based training what they are expecting. So my agenda is that everyone should have, if they are spending some money, they should get at least very good knowledge. Okay, so that's my main agenda. That is the reason whatever trainers we have, whatever trainings I am providing personally, all are practical based, and it's it's helping everyone. So one honest things I want to ask everyone, like, please fill up your review, because this is the review through which, the people will get to know that we are doing good for our society. Okay. So this is our bread and butter. I'll be very honest with you. There are many uh, sessions are there. There are many institutes are there, but I personally find the problems in the institute. We have dedicated support team is there. I am there always. Okay. So when we are sharing the knowledge, we are also expecting that you people will give us the good reviews, because that's our that see, I'm not working. uh, I work with the IT industry for last 10 years, and now I'm not working. So I simply work on this trading part only. Okay. So if you guys are giving good feedback, if you are sharing this information with your friends, colleague, those who are needy person, and if they are joining with us, they will also get a knowledge, and we will also earn some money. Okay. So that's our bread and butter. So we are not sharing any link where we will say that was you can give us some money. No, we don't want money. We are happy with providing the training and get and earn the money. That is our expectation. So from our side, we will try the best to deliver the content. Many contents we are providing free of cost. Believe me, we have uploaded around 1200 videos on our YouTube channel. 99% videos are recorded by me only personally, and recording a single video is not that easy task. It's taking too much of time, too much of editing. First of all, I need to take a bath, then I need to prepare myself, then the editing will be there. Many things are there. So we have spent our day and night, and we have recorded all this video. Even for this training also, I was not ready, but somehow I have spent some 5 days to make sure that this training should be worthy. Even though if it is free, it doesn't mean that I have tried my best. Okay. I have tried my best. So I have shared you the link in the chat options, so you can open it to your laptop, you can open it to your mobile phone, and please provide the requested review. Is it not working? It's working now. I see it's working. Can you please check once? So please check one. No, it's not working. Not working, sir. I'll share you the link. Please check once if it is not working. Now, okay, sir, opening. Please try. I think everyone is filling the review. That is the reason. So I'm always reading this review because these reviews are the one which is very important for me. Okay. So we have this 929. So I see the reviews are coming. Okay. Please provide the good reviews. If you don't like, that's okay. And spend some good reviews, man. This 3 rating, if you are giving, no one will join us. Okay. You just need to push the button. Okay. You just need to press the button, and that button plays a very important role in our life. That is what we need. Okay. So if something is happening good in my life, there should not be any problem to you. Invalid dynamic link. It's not working. Why it's not working? Everything is working. So Google form is not working. Google form is not working, or that review link is not working. Google form review link. Some people are saying Google form is not working. Some people are saying both are not working. I'll share this link with you all. Uh, I'll share this link with you all to your WhatsApp group. Okay. So, uh, and from there you can do that. So enjoyed the session, guys. Today is the last day of your free SQL trainings. How was that? All good? Understood the sessions? Nice. We'll share the link to your uh, we'll share that link to your WhatsApp group. Okay. Those 5 days of trainings are very session. Entire session is very good, and I have gained a good knowledge, and it will be helpful for me in future in my work life. Thank you. We really miss you, sir. Your lectures are too good. Thank you. Thank you. I cleared all my doubt. Thank you, sir, for conducting those sessions. The certificate you will get it on your email. Okay. The forms which you have filled, you will get the certificate on your email. Okay. Today. We need 1 week of time. Within 1 week, you will get all the certifications. Okay. On your email ID, you will get it. So even I will miss you guys. It was a nice time that I was coming here regularly in the morning, and I remember some of the names also now because I'm continuously reading all these names. So it was a nice time to with you all, and again we will meet in some of the free sessions or maybe in some of the paid sessions. Okay. So you can refer Learnomate to your friends, colleagues, those who want to start their journey into the IT industry. Okay, we'll do that. So Monish is saying the session was very good and learn a lot new things. Thank you. Very good and excited in our Oracle DBA batch. We are starting our new batch. Yeah, very soon we are starting. Okay. We have already started taking the admissions for Oracle DBA also. So we are coming. Not a problem. If you are not able to share the review, that's okay. Fine, guys. Thank you and bye bye. Please make sure that you people are putting your all the efforts, get a job, and let us know once you get placed. Okay, because your success is important for us. Okay, so that's how the things works. Okay, your success is my success basically. Okay, so don't worry, I will provide you the best trainings. So someone is saying that since 1 year I am trying to understand the SQL basics, but within 5 days I got full clarity about the SQL basics. So we'll do that. Okay, and we'll continuously have such type of free sessions, but just be with your Learnomate. Okay, just subscribe to Learnomate because then we will drop a email to you guys. Okay. Swapnil is saying I have really enjoyed the free SQL sessions and there was a small things explained in a very easy way. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, we have already done that. Your training is far better than 3 years of college. So that's the reason I'm feeling like okay, I should join any college now. Still, whenever we need, we are referring your YouTube videos, sir. Always very glad, sir. Thanks a lot, Shashank. This is the energy, This is the energy which is making me to wake up in the morning and provide you all these sessions. Because of this only I'm coming. Okay. This respect we need, I am more worried about the respect. The respect should be there. This is very important for me. That is the reason I'm coming here. So that's very true. Your guidance and teachings are very clear. Thank you. So for this reason only, I'm always conducting all these free sessions and all. Okay. If anyone want to conduct these free sessions to or guidance kind of things to your college, please share the information with Learnomate team. If any college they want some online sessions for their students and all, let us know. We can arrange the free sessions for your college students. Just let us get connected with your TNP officer. We will do that. Okay. Free sessions. We don't charge anything for that. Okay. So next workshop, I don't know when we are going to conduct. I'll see my availability, and based on that we will do that. Okay. So don't worry, we'll do that. So please fill up the Google form if it is working. Please fill up the review and refer it. Thank you. Bye bye. And see you in the next workshop. Bye bye, guys. It was a nice time to have you all here. Bye bye. And enjoy your weekends. Bye bye.